Jackman House in partnership with Canarm, and today I'm showing you how to install an outdoor wall sconce. Ensure power is turned off prior to hanging any light fixture. This fixture must be installed following your local building codes. If unsure how to do this, please consult an electrician. Unbox the product and ensure that you have the instructions and are not missing any pieces. Attach the Easy Connect bracket to the wall electrical box. Screws are not provided. Adjust studs to the correct length for your canopy and lock in place with a hex nut. Make all electrical connections using the Easy Connect bracket. The Easy Connect feature is one of my favorites. It's a huge time saver, no twisting of wires, and it speeds up the install. Push house wire into appropriate inserts. Push fixture wires into correct inserts. And carefully tuck wires into electrical box. Mount fixture using a star washer and cap nut. Depending on your fixture, install bulbs, glass, and guard. Finish your installation with a small bead of weather-resistant caulking on the top, sides, and cap nuts to prevent moisture accumulation. And remember to turn the power back on. And that's how you install an outdoor wall sconce.